Each time I meet with a new seller, we always end up talking about the kind of offers that we think we can expect when we list the new property for sale. And generally, that means that we're talking about if it's going to be a cash offer, or is it going to be a financed offer where we're going to have to wait on a loan to go through, like a conventional loan or an FHA or a VA loan. But oftentimes people are scared to talk about FHA or VA or even USDA because of what might come back in the appraisal and what the seller might be required to fix. And sometimes we'll look over a government-backed offer because of those reasons. But at this current listing that I'm standing at, I just want to show you a couple of things that came up in our appraisal because it was FHA that the seller ended up having to fix, and it wasn't that big of a deal. You can see here we're looking at this railing on a back deck of this listing here, and the colored wood, the brown wood, is the original deck, and then we had to add the spindles because there was just too much space between those boards, and that's just what FHA requires. Not more than a 4-inch circle can fit through anything on a deck like this to prevent anyone from getting hurt. Another thing a government-backed loan like FHA or VA or USDA look for is any lead-based paint hazards. So any chipping or peeling paint during the appraisal process will have to be remedied, like this iron railing that is at the front of this house. Just took a couple of hours of scraping and repainting, and everything was fine. So you don't have to be scared as a potential seller of what might come up in an appraisal. Generally, when we walk through the house too, I'm going to let you know if something's going to be a problem. And if we can fix it, we'll fix it. And if not, we will just be sure not to offer those types of lending options on your listing.